Hi everyone. Another vlog from it's me, Gabriella. So, my vlog today would be more about what to do when you have an argument with your partner or husband, boyfriend, whatever. In my opinion, or what I do, I don't fight back. I don't go head to head. Just take note, these are just my tips on how to get over an argument and not make it pursue it any longer. Some people would tell you, don't sleep on if you're, if you're fighting with your husband or your partner, don't sleep on it. Try to fix it, and always make sure you go to bed and you're both okay. Um, at the beginning of our relationship, yes, I thought that would be the right way to go. But as time went by, I realized that it's not actually. Um, you gotta give each other space, especially the man. You go head to head with him, from my experience, not a good idea. Things just get more escalated, things just get worse. So I prefer just to keep quiet, listen and listen. After he said his piece, reflect, sit down, think of maybe your mistake, and trust me, it goes a long way. So if you need to sleep on it, sleep on it. Takes a day, 2 days, so what? Right? You'll always be able to fix it somehow. And you'll know how to fix it. You'll know what to do better when you're rested, when your thoughts have cleared, when you've thought of the right thing to say rather than what to say at a heated moment. So, also, I don't know, I may sound a little sexist this way, but I believe in apology. I believe in saying sorry. Other women will say, why would I say sorry if it's not my fault? I'm not going to say sorry for if it's not my fault at all. I'm going to wait for him to say sorry to me. Okay, no problem. Your opinion. That's how you deal with your problems. Fine. But for me, to say sorry, whether or not it is your fault or not, I have realized being married for 11 years would be the best way to go. And you watch, he'll come around and apologize to you too. So, just a few, little tips on how to get over husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, um, misunderstandings, miscommunications, and um, another tip, don't keep things from each other, especially financials. If you're married and you have to share expenses, you know, car payments, rentals, utilities, you have to be open. You gotta share it. You have to know what it is that you're spending and take it down. Write all your expenses down, whatever it is, up to the single cent. It will help and it will go a long way. So, yeah, just a short vlog to help you guys, those who are a bit lost, don't know what to do when it comes to these little arguments. Um, yeah, these are my tips. So I'll go over it again. Number one, don't go head to head. Go down. Keep quiet. Listen. So that's the second one. Number three, take your time. Like I said, sleep on it if you have to. It's important. Number four, have a clear head. When you're ready to talk about it or he's ready to talk about it, either you initiate it or he initiates it. Any anything goes. And trust me, everything will be okay. And fifth and final tip, don't forget, pray. Prayer. Guidance from a higher power for me as a Catholic would be, our Virgin Mary, the Holy Spirit, guidance in discipline, in the right decisions, the right thing to say. Um, so, yeah. If you have any questions, any comments, good or bad, please subscribe to my channel. And I know I've got random vlogs that have no connection with each other whatsoever. But yeah, I'm trying to still find where I am and what I want to do. And I don't know, we'll see. If this is the one, then this is the one. And I'll give you more tips. Try it out, you know, might help you. And I hope that my little 2 cents will help you guys.